efficient way to get your daily bias right and be correct, like 90% of you being right on your daily bias, right? So when I do my daily bias, I usually rely on drawn liquidity. I don't rely on breakout structure. As you can see right here, the market broke structure up, so people are gonna think, yo, my daily bias now is bullish because of the breakout structure. We gotta think about of the drawn liquidity. Drawn liquidity basically means the objective of the market. What moves the market is fair value gaps, and liquidity basically fair bias on sell side, our daily low, daily highs, equal highs, resistance lows and highs, and you know, saying 4-hour lows, 4-hour highs, and yeah, etc. Equal lows, equal highs, right? But when I do my daily bias, how do I find my daily bias? You can see in my videos, I have my daily bias every single day. You can literally see all my daily biases. They're recently been correct, but you know, over here, market or this week is the NFP, so this week is gonna be harder for us to do our daily bias due to manipulation, right? So when I do my daily bias, for me personally, I use drawn liquidity. So right now for London session, currently I'm bullish, but there's literally no setups. There's a news happening in, you know, it's like 10 a.m. So when I do my daily bias, I usually rely on drawn liquidity. So what did the market usually do, right? Market touches fair value gap in, right? Fill it in 50%, like full, right? So from here, what's the next drawn liquidity, right? From here, it looks like to be over here. There's a really small fair value gap which got invalidated, right? So now from here, the next drawn liquidity is right back to the upside, right? It's still to the upside, which the next drawn liquidity to me looks like to be this higher over here, possibly these highs if the market does a run on liquidity on this. So when I do my daily bias, I'm more of a drawn liquidity rather than a bias, like a breakout structure in a 4-hour time frame, or like a breakout structure or choice, right? I rely more on a drawn liquidity. But when they do like align with each other, where 4-hour drawn liquidity is bullish and the 4-hour bias is bullish, just you can see right now, 4-hour drawn liquidity is bullish and the 4-hour bias is bullish. When they are aligned with each other, that usually indicates that, okay, this could be a stronger move, right? It gives me more of a confidence boost, right? But whenever they're against each other, where the drawn liquidity and the 4-hour time frame is bullish but the 4-hour bias is bearish, they usually, you know, saying sometimes they might be a lower probability setups, but and low, you know, saying not a high quality setup. But when they're aligned with each other, I'm more confident, right? I'm more confident of the move happening, right? Because, you know what I'm saying, because they're in line with each other, and, you know, saying the 4-hour drawn liquidity is bullish and the 4-hour bias is bullish. That is, to me, is indicating, yo, this move might be a strong, good move, right? High quality move, right? Because look, they're in line with each other. But yeah, I usually don't rely on breakout structure like these, because usually market does, you know, saying I tend to manipulate. You can see right here is just today, right? See how the market daily bias is bullish over here, right? Market just came ran through down, right? Because market took out liquidity from buy side. I mentioned the general liquidity back to the downside, so market came back down, took it out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just like that. So oops, I changed the wrong spot. So yeah, and that's how I do my market daily bias. I usually rely on drawn liquidity, not, you know what I'm saying, not breakout structure. But let me show you the quick example of what I mean. You know, so today the 4-hour drawn liquidity is bullish, right? But I haven't got this, as I said, I don't got no setup just because of news is coming out soon. You know, saying I gotta, you know, saying the 4-hour drawn frame is bullish, 4-hour drawn frame is bullish, 4-hour drawn liquidity is bullish. This to me, if it does give me a setup for the next hour, it's like gonna be a high quality setup. But there's news in myself, I might not be get a setup, right? If you go to the hourly time frame, now in the hourly time frame, I'm hunting for setups, right? I'm looking for a hourly confluence. So the closest confluence I have, this is a small fair value gap in the hourly time frame. There's huge fair value gap over here. There's hourly confluences, breakup block, order block, 4-hour order block, and breakup block. Where the market will possibly retrace to in, you know, a New York session, then eventually this could cause them to move back up, right? So that's how I do my daily bias. I eventually use so what I rely on morally, I just say one more time, the 4-hour, I rely on the drawn liquidity, but in a specific time frame. I can't just say I rely on the 15-minute drawn liquidity, because every time frame has a drawn liquidity where the market will move, you know what I'm saying? So what I rely on mainly is the 4-hour drawn liquidity. The 4-hour drawn liquidity will decide my bias, right? Because You know what I'm saying? I'm trading the 4 hour. I mean, I'm usually just trading for a couple hours. I'm not trading for a daily time frame. I'm not trading for a day. I'm not trying to hold my trades for a day or longer. You know what I'm saying? Getting in and out, you know, for a couple, like for 1 to 2, 3 hours. So 4 hour buy, 4 hour liquidity is gonna tell my bias. When I'm saying 4 hour bias, could let me saying 4 hour breakout structure to the upside or downside, they could make me more confident or make me more careful. Usually, you know what I'm saying, when let's just say the hourly time frame is bearish, but the 4 hour liquidity is bullish, I'll wait for a higher time frame confluence because the hourly time frame is bias is bearish, right? That will, like, you know what I'm saying, there might be more multiplication in the 5 minute time frame. So I'm looking at 15 minute and looking for 15 minute confluence or breakout structure, you know what I'm saying, to upside, so you can get a entry going, right? Usually, and I did backtest it and it's correct, right? So yeah, what I rely on is basically, to me personally, I'm an intraday day trader. I will basically rely on the 4 hour drawn liquidity. Sometimes when there's a news play like NFP, CPI, I go with higher time frame like daily, see what the daily drawn liquidity. But usually it's always gonna be the 4 hour drawn liquidity. 1 hour drawn liquidity is gonna, I mean, 1 hour I don't really care about it, but I do care about the 1 hour bias where the market is going. 1 hour breakout structure, I do care about. 1 hour drawn liquidity sometimes I do care about. It all depends on what is winning, right? It's a factor. If my side of the market is winning, so let's just say I'm bullish, right? If my side of the bullish factor side is winning, I'm gonna enter the trade regardless of the other side. You know what I'm saying? If I win it by 1 point, I'm gonna get in. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick example of what I mean. So let's just say the market does go here, right? In the next like 30 minutes. Let's just say like hourly drawn liquidity is bearish, hourly batch is bearish, but the 4 hour drawn liquidity is bullish, 4 hour batch is bullish, and we're looking for a 15 minute confluence because the hourly time frame is against our bias. Just imagine, right? But today, let's just say the market does go over here on, you know, New York session. We're gonna possibly get a 4 hour batch gonna be bullish, 4 hour drawn liquidity is gonna be bullish, 1 hour batch is gonna be I think at the moment it's bullish, right? And for 1 hour drawn liquidity is probably gonna be bullish as well. That right there is really high quality setup because 4 drawn liquidity is bullish, 4 hour batch is bullish, 1 hour drawn liquidity is bullish, 1 hour batch is bullish. That gives me more confidence on my setup if I do get a setup to the upside, right? So yeah, vice versa, if, you know, saying same thing to the downside. But yeah, this is how I do my daily bias. All you gotta focus on is basically, you should be focused on more on drawn liquidity side of the market, not the breakout structure side of the market. Usually people, you know what I'm saying, you the breakout structure, there is time where you will get, you know what I'm saying, invalidated and will possibly lose. So yeah, and you possibly sometimes miss good moves, you know what I'm saying, because let's just say your boss is telling you bearish, right? The 4 hour time frame breakout structure telling you bearish, but there's a good buy setup to the upside and you just missed out, you know what I'm saying, missed out on making some profits. But yeah, that's my my thing. This is how you're gonna make your daily buys more proficient and more sharp and better. Thank you for watching.